Welcome, friends. So, as I've mentioned, I look at my life as a continual workshop, that it's constantly inviting me to sense more and more fully this infinite, unharmable essence, dynamic that we are. And one of the ways that I've noticed is anytime that I'm projecting a goal into the future, there's a stressfulness because there's an attachment to trying to control time that hasn't even happened. If the goal is 5 minutes away, it's not much stress. If the goal is 6 months away, there's some stress. If the goal is maybe 5 years away, then the stress for me becomes even more. So I notice that. I notice, oh, yeah, look, I can feel some attachment there. I feel just the tremor of anxiety or forcing, concern, over planning. And it's, I can feel, okay, there's some aspect here is not tuning in to this perfect current. And it takes not much to just notice and then bring it back into the present. So my goal is taking my next breath. In fact, it doesn't even have to be an inhale and an exhale. It's simply that energetic breathing. We're constantly in this flux of the energetic field. It takes nothing. This energetic field is flowing in, flowing through, flowing out. And that's it. That's my goal, to just be in the moment of this energetic flow. Anything farther into the future is not the goal. Now, it doesn't mean I can't know of it as an intention, as an apparent direction, as where this manifestation seems to be flowing. All of that is great. But as far as an actual goal, just reorient myself to my goal is this energetic flow of this moment, the breath of this moment. And I can feel everything kind of clink, 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 settles back into place, opens and relaxes. And whatever the parent goal was, just finds its proper priority. Instead of being this consuming, it's impossible for us to know the future and to orchestrate every moment to it. So it just kind of falls back. It's not really a goal. It just seems to be an apparent intention, a trajectory that this energy is flowing towards. The goal is simply the breathing of this moment. And as I feel this relaxation, there's a natural sense of presence. There's a natural sense of completeness, fullness, wholeness, almost a celebration. Like, oh yes, look at that. I did it. I had a moment with the breath, with the energetic exchange. And there's another one. It just becomes this celebration. Oh yes. The preciousness of the moment becomes more obvious when it's got a little frame around it. So identifying it as a goal gives that little frame. And then there's the celebration. Oh yes, there's the energetic exchange. And there's the energetic exchange. And so the system just notices the benevolence that it just keeps happening, the effortlessness that it just keeps happening, the amazing sweetness that isn't requiring anything. There's just a sweetness to this energetic exchange. once it's highlighted as, using the term goal. It's that arriving and it's just kind of a natural cherishing, a natural grace. This life, it is grace. There's a wonderful quote that I love. Listen to your life. Taste, see, smell to the hidden depths of it. No less in the moments of pain than in the moments of joy. For every moment is precious. Every moment is grace. And I didn't say that exactly right, but every moment is grace. So that's a great thing I just find. If I'm looking towards a goal, just reorient to the goal of breathing this moment, energetically breathing this moment. Feel the results of that, and let anything else that seemed like a goal just fall back down into the proper priority.